Let's quickly revise the main points of the lesson. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah delivered the speech on the 11th August 1947 to the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah manifested two main functions of the Constituent Assembly. The first function of the Constituent Assembly was to maintain law and order. The second function of the Assembly was to cut the roots of corruption and bribery. He declares that devastating evil is jobbery and nepotism. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was well aware of the social problems like law and order situation, corruption, bribery, nepotism and jobbery, black marketing. So he persuaded the members of the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan vividly to initiate a war against such evils. So Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, in his speech, which is delivered on the 11th August 1947, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah made all such points clear to the Constituent Assembly that evil practices, if they are going to happen anywhere, if they are going to be practiced anywhere, he is not going to bear them. So this is the responsibility of the Constituent Assembly to cut the evils from the society, from the state.